I'm Jamie, and
I'm John.
And we work at Verderami Kale Architecture. We do interior design and architecture mostly for corporate interiors. So we're pretty familiar with Mecho shade and the systems, and we use it and spec it pretty much on most of our projects. And what we just saw was a little, I would say, test drive of the new Mecho 7 system. You don't want to see, 5 different shades in the span of, 10 feet, 12 feet.
Yeah.
You'd rather see one clean installation. And I think that's what's so good about this product, is that it really is clean and it's functional.
And also and I know that the landlords are going to love this, instead of having multiple shades by the window, you can have one that gives the building a cleaner look from the exterior, which is also one of the comments that we get a lot.
And I also think another great thing about it is just that you could put it in, maybe you don't have the money day one to install this as a motorized shade, but later on you can add in that battery without actually hooking it up to power. Something like this that already anticipates that, I think just gives them a leg up against the competition. I just saw the new, we just saw the new Mecho 7 system, and I definitely think that's something we should basically go back to our office and tell them about. That was 100% something that we could see functionally and aesthetically working in our space.
And for sure something that we'll spec on our future projects.
Definitely.